Hello students, let's see the general form of pair of linear equations in two variable. Now here we have two equations. So we can take the first equation in this form as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Example is sum 4x plus 7y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here a1 is a constant and b1 is a constant and c1 is a constant, like this, and x and y are the common variables for the both the equations. So it is a set of equations, pair of equations. Let us see the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Therefore a2, b2, c2 are some constant numbers and x and y are the common variables for both the equations. So these are the general form of a pair of linear equations, and those are the examples. Let us see. Here we have three types of pair of equations. Now let us see the first one. Take the general form of the equations or any equation, set of equations. If you check the ratio a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, if the ratios are not equal, then we can draw a1x plus b1y plus c1 a straight line on the Cartesian plane, and for the second equation also we can draw a straight line on Cartesian plane. So both the lines have a intersecting point, and this point of intersection is x comma y. Therefore x refers to the value of x here in the equation, and y refers to the value of y in the equation. So x comma y is the point of intersection here in geometry, but x comma y is a solution of this equation. Therefore we can have an exactly one solution, because intersecting line, they are the straight lines, so that we can get only one intersecting line, that is exactly one. Then we can call it as a unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. So here we can state that they are intersecting line. Now if the ratio is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can call independent consistent pair of equations. So this is the word we have to use for the equations. Okay, let us see the second type of equations. Now here we have a second type of equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, general form of the equations. And you can take another equation, if the ratios a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If the ratios are equal, then we can have the first equation a straight line, and the second equation also will be on the same line. Therefore we can call them as coincidental lines, a line on line. So how many points are there on a line? We can have infinite number of points. Here we have a point, 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 here we have a point. Therefore we can state that infinitely many solutions. Now these type of equations, if the ratios are like this, then we can call they are dependent consistent pair of equations. We have to write that pair of equations. Okay, this is the second type of pair of equations. So let us see the third type of pair of equations. Now, the general form of a pair of linear equations in two variable. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2, then if you draw the first line, if you draw the second line on Cartesian plane, the two lines are parallel. The ratios will be like this. If you draw them, you can see the parallel lines on the Cartesian plane. So parallel lines never met each other. Therefore, we can say that there is no solution for these equations combined. So parallel lines, and there is no solution. We can state that the pair of equations are inconsistent. Therefore, inconsistent pair of equations. These pair of equations, we can call them inconsistent because there is no solution for them. That's all.